Last week I ordered something new. First I wanted to use this RC technique for my Scania truck, to make it remote controlled. But after some measuring I came to the conclusion, it's not gonna work. So, let's unbox it. The box is high quality, and OVERMAX is a Polish RC company. There is a nice little bit weight to the box. It's about 2 kilograms. The controller got a nice weight to it. And it's nicely made for the price you have to pay for this RC car. The car is looking okay. The body is a little bit rough finished where the wheels sit. But after all, for that price, I can't complain. The finish from the chassis is, for this price, superb. It got real metal drive shafts, 4x4 with a metal prop shaft. 2 batteries, a powerful engine. And nice suspension, oil-filled shocks. And big meaty tires. First, before we firing it up, we have to remove this sticker. It comes with an USB charger. And the battery is charged in about an hour. So, let's hook it up, and go for a test drive. When it's on, you see a red LED blinking. In the controller are going 3 10-light batteries. I already installed them. Not bad, not bad. The body, it's not my kind of taste. So, let's customize it. I had a body laying around from a Jeep Wrangler, and I thought, maybe I can make that fit. And when you are liking this video, please, like, comment, share or subscribe. And see my channel for more handmade builds. First I am going to make longer body posts. And drill some holes in the Jeep. Yes, they fit. But I was not happy with them, they were too flimsy. So, let's make them from metal instead. Much better. Cutting them to the right height. And fitted in plate to make it more sturdy. Now, let's go for a drive. It's really fast. Okay, let's try it in gravel. The handling of the car is really good. And you can even adjust the steering on the fly. As you see, it got real power. Yeah, for the price you have to pay for this car, you could have a lot of fun. The car drives wonderful, it's fast, it's powerful. It's direct with the steering, it got a long range. About 100 meters. And the battery is full charged in about an hour, and you can drive with a full battery about 20 to 30 minutes. Not bad at all. For a beginner car, or someone who wants to get in RC driving, I truly recommend this car. See the link in the description.